Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka komiti balakli da UBP katake ya ka balathau da ka National Green Tribunal kalabatha ya ka sarkar jilla bakan ai ya ka kaipot halor ka policy ban delilam bat ban shalan yau doyong hashwa jong ka lifeway tarik risau arjar kat kandai ka balong kat kum ka hukum balabatha da ka yeng bishar Supreme Court UBP katake ha ka jing kran bat ka Batisi TV ulai thu ba ha ka khat pratarik urisau arjar khat khandai ka sarkar ka lapha ya ka application ban ujor halor ki kat to kat ni ki jing batha bala shimrai da ka ni ka committee khamtam ka bayadai bar ka jing pan jing tip halor ka jing don u doyong bala depti hado life arm metric ton
beyond the direction issued by the Supreme Court on 3rd July order and the directions issued by the NGT from time to time. Like we cannot ask whether that 32 lakh metric ton and odd coal, which according to the state government is available, already extracted, were extracted prior to 2014 or thereafter. 14 means the date of imposing the ban, and that inquiry we cannot make according to them. According to them, we cannot make the inquiry relating to the export of coal to Bangladesh. We cannot make any inquiry relating to the breakup of 32 lakh odd metric ton of coal, which according to them is available for auction and transportation. Those are the major issues, they said. They said that we should concentrate only to the environment issues and nothing more, and that MEPRF fund should be released to them so that they can take required steps for improvement of environment. NGT was to look into the restoration of the environment, that is correct. Number two, also to see that no illegal transportation coal is carried out. Supreme Court has said that it would be your responsibility to see that this transportation of 32 lakh metric ton of coal, which according to the convent still exists, is properly done. E-auction is properly done by the Coal India Limited. For the purpose of that only, we asked the government to let us know where this 32 lakh metric ton is lying, in which depots, in which places, so that we can verify whether actually this exists or not. We'll take up that application on the next day, on 11th, and we'll pass some order. And if the order goes against that application, then definitely they will approach either the NGT or the Honorable Supreme Court. Having regard to that, 3-4 days back I issued a direction to the government and the Coal India Limited that you have the sitting, decide it, and let us know what is the outcome of your decision by 30th October. And pursuant to that, I have been told that the government is scheduled to have a meeting with CIL on 23rd in Ceylon.